I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact name and local spelling of Shivaxi Monument so you avoid wrong turns. Next, gather essentials: ID, charged phone, power bank, and an offline map, because mobile signal can drop. Once done, check the monument's hours and weather. That affects route and clothing. Make sure to note nearby transport options and a local phrase or two for asking directions, since local guides often use non-standard names for landmarks. You now pick the route, fastest if short on time, scenic if you want context, because terrain and elevation change arrival time. Set pins in your offline map and drop a breadcrumb trail. This prevents getting lost if signal fails. While en route, stop at obvious landmarks and ask locals. Show them a photo of the monument to confirm you mean the same site. Once you get verbal directions, repeat them back so you and the helper agree on turns and distances. You finish by verifying arrival. Compare architectural details, plaques, or inscription text to your reference photo so you're certain it's Shivaxi Monument. If you can't find it, go back to the last known landmark and recheck your map pins. This often reveals a misturn. If problems persist, ask a uniformed official or staff at nearby businesses, recharge your phone to call a taxi, and use a local contact number. This troubleshooting keeps you safe and gets you to the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.